Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to dropship on Amazon. In this video we will talk about dropshipping, how to become a seller on Amazon, how to start your dropshipping business, and we will also reveal top 10 websites from where you can easily start your Amazon dropshipping business. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. Before starting a dropshipping business on Amazon, you first need to understand what dropshipping is, how it works, and whether dropshipping is allowed on Amazon or not. To start dropshipping on Amazon, first you need to sign up for a seller account. To do so, click on the Sell button on the top of the page and you will be taken to the seller page. You can use this sign up button to create a seller account. And here you will see that there is a fee of $39.99 a month plus selling fees. If you sign up with a new seller account, then you get over $50,000 in potential benefits. You can get 5% back on your first $1 million in branded sales. Try FBA with free inbound shipping, storage, removals, and returns. Get $200 credit for sponsored products CPC ads. Bids are up to you. And get a head start on brand protection, product reviews, and more. There are much more than these. Use this link to learn more about it. Scroll down and you will see the Introduction to E-commerce Selling section. In this section, you will find all the details and knowledge-based articles that you must know before becoming a seller on Amazon. From here, you can learn what is e-commerce. From here, you can learn how to build a business. Here, you can learn e-commerce fulfillment. Here, you can learn inventory management. From here, you can learn what is dropshipping. From here, you can learn how to create an Amazon storefront. From here, you can learn how to sell books on Amazon. Here, you can join the Seller University. And lastly, here you can read the Amazon Selling Partner blog. So from all these things, the most important one for us is what is dropshipping. Click on the Learn About Dropshipping link. On this page, you will find all the details about dropshipping on Amazon. Here you will see what is dropshipping. Amazon says, dropshipping is an order fulfillment option that allows e-commerce businesses to outsource procuring, storing, and shipping products to a third party, typically a supplier. Next, you will see what is a dropshipping business model. Here Amazon says, in a dropshipping business model, you promote products and provide an online storefront. When a customer places an order, you send the order to the dropshipper and inform customers the products are on the way. The rest of the physical fulfillment process is out of your hands. In some dropshipping agreements, you may also handle customer service, while the dropshipping service manages the physical goods and fulfillment. Below you will find how does dropshipping work. Here Amazon says, the exact logistics of dropshipping depend on your arrangement, but typically the dropshipping process follows this general sequence, which is seller signs the agreement with the dropshipper, then the customer orders online, and then the seller receives the order. Then the customer receives an order confirmation, following which the seller forwards the order to the dropshipper, and then the dropshipper ships the order, and finally the customer receives their product. And here you will also see a pictorial presentation of how does dropshipping work to better understand this process. Scroll down and you will find the potential pros and cons of dropshipping section. Here Amazon says, in e-commerce as in life, there are advantages and disadvantages to any fulfillment approach. Whether the gains are worth the pain largely depends on your goals and business situation. Here are potential pros and cons to consider when weighing whether dropshipping is right for your e-commerce business. Possible benefits of dropshipping include overhead costs. Since you don't store or ship the products, dropshipping has the potential to lower overhead costs, such as maintaining a store facility or sending products to customers. The second benefit is starting costs. Entrepreneurs looking to start a business with minimal investment may turn to dropshipping as they don't need to invest in facilities or resources to process orders. The third one is multi-channel selling. You can use dropshipping for your business while selling on your own domain through a store like Amazon and social media channels too, or all the above. Next is operating location. Dropshipping allows you to fulfill orders regardless of your operating location, opening up a possibility to work from anywhere. Lastly, scalability. Leveraging suppliers can make it feasible to accept more orders without increasing the inventory you store, package, and ship. Potential limitations of dropshipping include competition. Given the low cost and investment to get started, dropshipping is a highly competitive field. Then, product quality. Dropshipping reduces your involvement in the order fulfillment process, curtailing your ability to monitor and guarantee product quality. Next is branding. Because these products you sell may not be unique or distinguishable from similar offerings by other sellers, you could have trouble differentiating your offering. Next is profit margins. Little to no product differentiators means your business may end up competing more aggressively on price. Selling at low prices can eat up your profit margin. Next is fulfillment timeline. When a dropshipping service handles the fulfillment process, you do not have control over order selection, packaging, and shipment. Then is inventory management. Up to the minute updates on what is available in stock may not be possible. If a customer places an order only to find the product is out of stock, this poor experience can discourage future orders and damage your brand. And the last con is range of offers. Because you don't handle order fulfillment, you may be limited in the special offers and promotions you can run, such as bundling or free shipping. Below you will find Fulfillment by Amazon, which is a dropshipping alternative with added perks. Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA offers similar benefits to dropshipping while giving you more control over your brand experience. You don't need to sell products in Amazon stores to use FBA. Although with an audience of 200 million unique visitors each month, Amazon is a selling channel worth considering. With FBA, you store products in an Amazon fulfillment center, and Amazon will offer quick delivery with Prime shipping, manage customer service, take care of returns, and notify you when you need to restock products. Scroll down the page and you will find the dropshipping FAQs section. Here the first question is dropshipping legal? And Amazon says, yes, dropshipping is a legal method of order fulfillment. Do your homework on possible dropshipping suppliers and thoroughly review any dropshipping contracts in an effort to avoid surprises or bad actors down the line. Here is a question that asks, is dropshipping allowed on Amazon? Amazon says yes, as long as your business follows Amazon's dropshipping policy, you can use dropshipping for your business on Amazon. To use dropshipping services for your business on Amazon, you must be the seller of record of your products. Identify yourself as the seller of your products on all packing slips, invoices, and external packaging. Be responsible for accepting and processing customer returns of your products. There are many dropshipping websites that you can use to sell products on Amazon. The top 10 dropshipping websites are AliExpress, Alibaba, Color Blocker, TradeMe, Catch, Kogan, MyDeal, China Brands, SaleWho, Wholesale Central, and Spocket. With this, we have completed our video on how to dropship on Amazon. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.